Hey everybody, this is Mike with Do It Yourself and Fixing with the Rolling Bros. And we just got through putting the shower head in. And now I'm going to be putting this wall up down here and put it up here. But I got to drill a couple holes for the water lines because if I put all the boards up there, I'm not going to have enough room to drill the holes. So I got to do that. So that's going to be doing it right now. So let me think here for a second. That's tough for me to do, but well, I'm just gonna be drilling right here and here. Put a nail in it, and I just pull the nail out. Be done in 2 seconds almost. There, that's it. I'm going to drill a couple holes straight and all that bullshit. I just drilled a hole for the water PEX line, and now I got to make sure that they're about, a couple of inches or about 8 to 10 inches. I don't know. Again,
yeah, now say it again.
I put another hole in there. A hole in one. Now I got to put another hole for another with the hot water line. Or the cold, whatever. Stuff together. The reason I put this board up there and drilled the 2 holes in it for the water PEX line is because my wall boards are going to be too close for me to put the drill up there and drill a straight hole, and I needed straight holes for the PEX lines. So now you'll see why I did that here in just a second. Now I got to get this board back off. Back off! Ouch. Alright, that goes there. That goes there. See, it's really close. See how close that is? There's no way I could have got a... Oh, wait a minute. Need one there. No. Wait. These first. Try to move. No.
Average bar.
Now the reason you got to put all these to the center, that board down at the other end is measured exactly like this one. So if you get them right in the center, then your board should be level. Put it up. No, you do it. No, you're not. That's why they're not putting swallow it. The truth.
But he's a good helper.
He is.
Well, are you a good helper? Hey, Bert. You a good helper? Yeah.
I got you. All right, so now this board was measured exactly the same way as the other end. So done properly, the wall, the board should be level when we're done with it. All right, let's put it up. Hot in here now. You ready? Okay, now we're going to tilt the wall.
Help him, Burble.
You want to help me? Are you going to help me? Oh, thank you, Burble. Thank you, Burble. Thank you, Burble. Oh. You betcha. You betcha, by golly. I want to make them tight, but not too tight. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. And the hammer. I need that bigger hammer. Oh. Now it's a good supported wall too.
Yep.
Well, hell, man.
Just drill it from the other side over there. I don't know if you can, but
No, I'm just gonna have to drill it sideways. It's all right. Now it's just nailing it up, solidifying. Well, let's see if we got one level here. Well, it depends on the board though. Yeah, it's off about 1/16 or 1/8. The board isn't completely. That one's level. This wall over here. So I got to drill all these boards and then put the shower probably. See, I looked about right in the middle here somewhere. Probably put that shower right here. Here's the center of the shower. And now I got to build this wall over here and finish this out in here. Put some thin set. Put the Vim shower
nail
floor.
those?
Huh?
You gonna nail those?
Well, we can.
Yeah, it should. Up, up,
But,
up, up. Do it. Do it. Just set. Need to set the
did
bottom or top, whatever you want to do.
These 2x4s, if they're not, see that shows level there.
We'll pop the bottom and pop the top. Are they? Is it adjacent?
And if that's straight,
Well, it does.
yeah, that's pretty good. Let's put one in there.
Now, do the top. Get it level.
Just a little bit. That's good. That's good. Nail the top. Nail the top. That shows level from there to here, this one.
You're on a screw. Nail it, and then do the same thing up there. What you did before. Get it straight with that board down there. That's what you gotta do.
We're just gonna have to use the mud and all that stuff to fix it.
Yeah, that's right. Pretty good, looks like. Not much.
That's what it shows.
Well, it does need to come out towards you at the top.
That's easy for you to say. There, that's probably it. That's within the lines. It's good enough. Within the lines. Yeah, we were. Ain't going nowhere now.